Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Blooming Jellies tank top. It comes like this. It's just a free-flowing tank top. This is the design over here. It's kind of textured, so you can tell that it's actually a good print. It's not going to wear off anytime soon. And it says, "Adventure is calling." So I love that because that's hopefully what is going to happen this summer. And then the back is just a razor back. It's also quite long, which I personally like. So let me just go ahead and try it on. I love how this tank top fits. It fits perfectly. It kind of hugs you right where I like that it kind of hides this little guy. You know, I like it when they're high enough and kind of, you know, fall right there, long enough too. So this is like my perfect tank top. Like, you know, something I would wear like every day, just like anywhere, like on the beach, run errands, whatever it is. It falls, you know, right where it's supposed to be. High quality fabric, high quality print design as well. They have loads of other designs. So yeah, so for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this tank top. And if you would like to purchase it, check out the links below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.